The audio recorder is a nice, simple tool to use that actually has a lot of powerful options in how you utilize it. Simply click and drag it onto your page to start using the tool. We're then presented with a choice, either a quick recording with a model answer or extended recording. The extended recording simply provides students with the tool to be able to record the audio themselves, like we've seen previously when recording audio to put into the platform. So students can click, record their audio, stop the recording, play it back, and record again. Each time they record again, they can submit another answer through, so if they've had multiple attempts at it, you'll be able to track each of those attempts. I'm going to take that one out for the moment. The other alternative is if you want a short recording, you can also add a model answer. So here, if we select quick recording, we can add it in and either upload some audio that's a model answer or record our voice. Key distinction here being that students won't actually get to hear the model answer until they have actually recorded and submitted their own reply. So even if they want to have another turn at it, they'll still be able to see the whole piece. So there's a nice little way this can be utilized outside of even languages. So let's take a look at that now.